Introducing the MTM-100-2000DC Torque Tester DC from Flexible Assembly Systems. This cutting-edge solution is designed to verify the accuracy and repeatability of your hand tools, power tools, and pulse tools. Engineered by AIMCO, the AUET/MTM-100-2000DC combines precision and versatility to meet the demands of modern assembly processes. With a broad torque range of 10-100/200-2000 INLB, this torque tester can accommodate various applications, ensuring reliable testing across different fastening requirements. Its compatibility with 1/41/2D drive sizes provides flexibility to test a wide range of tools and fasteners. Equipped with SoftwareUSB connectivity, the AUET/MTM-100-2000DC enables seamless data transfer and analysis, enhancing efficiency and traceability in your quality control processes. The adjustable auto-clear feature simplifies the testing process by automatically resetting the display after each measurement, saving time and minimizing errors. This torque tester offers 3 measurement modes: peak, first peak, and track, allowing you to capture different torque values based on your specific testing requirements. Its accuracy of 0.5% ensures precise and reliable measurements, making it an indispensable tool for quality control professionals. With a weight of 22.6 pounds and dimensions of 226 x 152 x 133 mm, the AUET/MTM-100-2000DC is portable and easy to integrate into your existing assembly processes. Elevate your quality control measures with the AUET/MTM-100-2000DC Torque Tester DC W/SoftwareUSB. Its wide torque range, versatile drive compatibility, and advanced features make it an indispensable tool for ensuring the accuracy and consistency of your assembly processes. Invest in this reliable torque tester and experience peace of mind knowing that your tools are performing at their best. Visit flexibleassembly.com today. Our on-staff assembly tool experts are available to answer your technical questions and help you find the right torque tester for your needs.